Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shivi. If you're here for the very first time, please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content. Today I'll be doing a Amazon and Shein unboxing, and we've been waiting for the unboxing a long time, so I will get into it to see how the stuff them look. So the first thing I'm gonna do the review on is the Shein things them, because I didn't been anticipate for how long now. So I went ahead and I pull two of them just to see how it look. I'm gonna show you how them look. So this on the website it look like a book, right? But in reality it give bored. But I don't have no problem with that still, no, because for me, I think it's gonna be more durable, right? You can just easily wipe off dust and that's it. So I'm gonna show you now the details. So it's actually nice. So only thing is it's at a book, so that's it. All right, so for the second item now, I'll pull it. This is it. So for the second item, this looks like a little beer, right? And I think this are gonna be my key holder. So if you can look, you can see the size of it. So the size there. And for example, if this is the shelf, how it that look on the shelf. So that is basically it. So I'm gonna just put my key in there, and yeah. So that's the two items I'm gonna pull so far. So I have my fingers crossed for the rest of them. I won't be disappointed. Okay, these are little flowers, and on the website them look bigger. So see, so I think this comes with around 6 or 5. So I'm gonna use this as an example again, just for show you know. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna get, how much I get? 2, 4, so I'm gonna get 6. So that's not so bad. For how long am I supposed to get the package? I don't even remember. What are some of the things them? I don't remember. But this small. This is small. Alright. Okay. So this is the elephant and a baby elephant at the front. So see the full details. So that's basically it. Alright, so on to the next item. Let's see. What is this again? I don't remember what this is. Oh, I think this is like a vase. I think they come in a different size. I don't remember if this is the medium or the large. I don't remember. Go on to the next item. Oh, it was 2 of them. Oh guys, it was 2 of them. I don't even remember say 2 of them made by. So 2 elephants. Okay. Oxy doxy. Not so bad. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the stuff them from from Amazon. So I'm gonna get this pillow from Amazon. I think the brand name View Star, as you can see, and them say a hotel quality. So I'm gonna jump right into it. Let's go. Okay, so that's how them package it. Ooh. You see it there? The hotel quality here, but apparently you have to give it some time until it rise. I don't know what I mean. So the cotton can rise inside of it. So this is it for the hotel quality pillow. Yeah. So it's alright so far. I know it will take some time before the cotton them, you know, fluff out. So I'm gonna show you the next item. Alright, so this one is from Amazon as well. May I go down in it. Oh, so this is a ear product. So this is it. This is a Fantasia heat protector. So for the girlies them who want to get something to straighten them hair, so this basically have a shiny silk, like when I use it for straightening your hair I go have a shiny silk look. So this good. I'm realizing this is the way to go right now. And if you're not using this, I don't know what you're using. So, but I have some more item though for unbox, but that's basically it for now.
Hold on, did you say you're on your way? Why now, when you just went